welcome! Here's our garden completely covered with the bushes, making it hard to see the potential of the space. Like you see, the garage has horrible doors and window you could probably kick out with a one good push. Definitely in need of the replacing. It is actually a lovely space though, and then there is the fridge. We have some good memories with, well, mostly how we tackle getting rid of it, or rather of how Wojtek did. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye forever.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. We have a nicely sized garage, and inside it's actually not too bad. Plenty of space for storage, and of course a man cave. The wooden furniture you see here, that's ours. Wojtek built it last year, and I bought some pillows for IKEA to complete the set, and now we have a great, lovely furniture. But as you can see, there's a lot of trash, plastic chairs and old trampoline, random rubbish and rotten patio, not to mention the fancy better days. I brought some plants with me, but I will definitely need a lot more. My dream is to transform this garden into a beautiful, functional space, a proper place to relax, enjoy nature, and make a good use of the outdoors. Let's take a look outside. The driveway has this hideous little wall, which is going to be demolished for sure. The place itself will get a proper pressure wash. We already done quite a lot actually, because it was completely covered in moss before, and we have managed to remove most of it. But here we can see the part we haven't tackled yet. Well, win some, lose some, right? Before we started, Wojtek cut the grass so we could finally see the space potential and the most important, the size of it. It's the construction site, so it's a lot of mess. Okay, so today we're doing a lot of work with water, so it's quite dirty around, but shortly I will clean that later. Okay, so wait, Ronnie. Okay guys, so what I did, look at that. 2 trees down. Okay, and I discover we're having actually a path to the garage. There's the ugly boy, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that will be lovely. Can I check the final result?
Final, yeah.
No?
Will be.
That's my stuff. Chodź tu, Roni, tam nie. Stay, Roni. So we put some old bricks over there as a base for concrete. We start cleaning the
Think.
I don't know how to call it. The patio, but basically we knocked down the patio yesterday, and now we try clean that. I don't know how to call it. Oh my god, I forgot that word. This is entresol. I don't remember. Okay, we start cleaning all this one. So for now we left a little bit patio over there. So what is the plan? The plan is put all over here some old bricks and this kind of stuff, and then pour on the top the concrete. Ronnie, let's go. What is sleeping there? So yeah, so the next thing what we will do today is that pipe because of its leaking. That huge one. Unfortunately, I do not have footage of us changing the doors, the garage doors, but I did manage to save some clips from when we replaced the window. Sorry for the shaking camera. Like I mentioned before, both the door and window were in extremely bad condition, so we replacing them. The replacing them basically was must. But the good news, we only paid £10 for the window and 50 for the door, an absolute bargain. We really trying to renovate on budget, and if we can get the quality at low price, why not? Let's be honest, reusing materials is not only great for the environment, but also for our wallet. Seriously guys, look how easy this window's coming out. It's amazing. Here already Wojtek placed the window, and now it's time for seal it properly with expanding foam. Finally we have safe place with the working doors and windows. Fixing the stack pipe. This was one of the major fixes that need to be done. So after a trip to B&Q to grab all necessary bits and pieces, we were ready to go. Wojtek carefully measured and cut everything before assembling the new pipe. It was a time-consuming task, but by the end of the day we had it fully installed, so no more leaks. There is still so much to do. For example, the outside lighting isn't working, and we just noticed that. The pointing needs to be fixed, so another unexpected job, quite expensive one. And inside the house, plenty more work ahead. We're trying to do as much as possible by ourselves to save the money, since all our savings went into buying this house. It's going to be a challenge, working full time, renovating, and keeping up with this YouTube channel. But honestly, but we are up for it. That's why your support, advice, and likes, subscribes means a lot to us. So if you're enjoying the journey, stick around, because is there plenty more to come. Thanks for today, and see you next. Bye.